I'm Sam White with Marlin Magazine, and today we're on board with Ronstan. We've got Ben Moon with us, and we're going to talk about blocks. So these are primarily a sailboat application, but they've gotten really, really popular in sport fishing recently. So can you tell us a little bit about what the product is and what it really does for us?
The benefit of the Ronstan pulley in use in a fishing application is that it's incredibly strong, incredibly light, and very little maintenance required.
So what's the breaking strength on products like this?
The Series 20 is 1,210 pounds, and the Series 30 is 1,320 pounds.
So one of the design features is the way the sheave is recessed in the cheek. So tell us about the benefit of that.
It minimises any chance of the mono jumping the sheave and getting caught in between. You can go to a very small mono without any issue of it jumping the sheave or the roller.
Chip, you've been a professional captain for a long time. What do you like about these Ronstan products?
I mean, the major thing is how smooth they are. They got a good bearing system. It's hard to find something that small that rolls that smooth and is that strong.
So what applications are you using these Ronstan blocks for?
We're using them for pretty much everything, from the teasers all the way down to the blocks for our dredges, down to the block and tackle. It's a great product. They're very small, but yet strong, and they're smooth. There's Ronstan on pretty much every boat that's fishing.
So you've got a big tournament coming up this weekend. Boat looks great. You ready to roll?
Yeah, we're all set. We got all our dredges and all of our Ronstan stuff's on the boat. We're locked and loaded.